Hey, welcome back to Shopping with G. We are here at the Dollar Tree today, and it looks like they're beginning to put out Easter and spring items. I'm so excited. How about you all? I don't know about you, but something about the sunshine and the flowers and the warmer weather, it just makes me extra happy. We're just browsing today, looking at spring, looking at the new items and Easter decor. Now, you know Dollar Tree is going to come with the door hangers. They have a huge variety, selection, colors. If you're looking for carrots or Easter eggs or bunnies, you're going to find it at Dollar Tree in whatever color you need. All the pastels, all your bright colors. They have tiered tray decor. Look at the tiered tray beads. You can't tell me you can't find these at Home Goods or TJ Maxx somewhere. Now, I will decorate the door with a door hanger and or a nice spring wreath, and I'll do an arrangement for my dining room table and maybe get some pot holders and mitts. That'll probably be as far as I'll go. But I do enjoy browsing and looking at the spring and Easter decor. Let me know, are you decorating for Easter in your home? Do you usually do? What's your Easter tradition as far as decorating? Let me know in the comments. Here are some more crafts you can do at home DIY with your family, with your students. These are larger eggs. They're $1.25 each. But again, you can use those for crafts. You can make garland yourself with these. They do have little loops that you can hang from. You can also use those eggs for a centerpiece. Find you a large vase, fill them up, and maybe put a floral arrangement inside. That would be pretty. If you're familiar with Pinterest or TikTok, they have a lot of Easter decor ideas. I spend hours just browsing in my free time looking at arrangements and decor on there. I'm sure they have plenty of arrangements, especially from Dollar Tree, that you could use for inspiration. Let's see what else is there. There's so much. Do y'all see this cuteness? The egg bunny pics. Table runners with their spring flowers. Some have bunnies on them. The glittery ones, sequin ones, little bitty bunnies with the fluffy cottontails. Oh my goodness, more garland. The cutest. What would you all do with this garland here? So cute. Little plaid print on there, more ribbon, more of your hollowed out Easter eggs. I'm ready, y'all. I'm so ready and excited. All this cuteness in one store. They're still putting it out. They were in there unloading and putting out all the spring and Easter decor as I was in there, which is why I'm doing a voiceover. I didn't want to be rude. I try not to be invasive. So I hope you all are enjoying this voiceover thus far. We want to be respectful, right? So that's what we're doing. We're getting the content while being respectful. Look at the fluffy little yarn cotton balls where you can make your own little rabbit with your little tic-tac-toe games. Great basket stuffers. It's just so much. Paddle ball. I loved playing paddle ball as a kid. Pot holders, mitts. These felt nice for $1.25 each. Of course, all of the candy. We see these every year. We have our Sour Patches, the Haribo gummies, Blow Pops, Cowtails, chocolate Easter eggs, jelly beans, of course, Krabby Patties. These first year seeing these are powdered filled carrots. Cute decor. I'm not sure how they taste. Let me know if you've tried those before, if they're worth the buy. Tiger Pops. You know Dollar Tree is going to come with the Tiger Pops. I had to grab some of the watermelon fruities. They're almost gone. We see them seasonally. Chocolate bunnies, Rice Krispie bunnies, little headgear for your littles, or anybody who enjoys holiday headbands. Your weaved baskets, plastic baskets, cotton baskets, cardboard made, the plastic bunnies that you can fill with candy and goodies for the littles if you don't want to do a basket, gumball machines, rabbit notepads, rabbit tongs, all sorts of things, pencils, school supplies, kinetic sand, bunny jump ropes, carrot jump ropes, tablecloths, excellent stocking stuffers for Easter baskets. If you're ready to spring clean and organize, Dollar Tree, they're coming out with the baskets, all sizes, different prints, different shapes. Some are waffled, some have spring designs. The handles are different. Some have handles, some don't. Look at these carrying trays, serving trays. I'm loving the pastel, the spring, the bright, the summer colors. They still have the neutrals out, of course. Those stay out all year. The grays, blacks, navy blues. Photo albums for spring and summer. What else did we find? Little gnomes for the yard and the rocks. I love the rocks. My Happy Place, What a Wonderful World. They're a nice size, as big as my hand. They're not the little bitty pebble rocks. Spring spray bottles, yard signs, yard picks, yard banners. $1.25. You can't beat it. I found these antibacterial hand wipes you can clip on the backpacks. If you need to get your car, your vehicle in order, they have everything you need here too. They have micro towels, the wipes, in-car trash can. Not seen those before. They're $1.25. Your wax and cleaning agents, microfiber sponges. They even have car license plate covers. These run $10, $20 elsewhere, but they have them here for $1.25. The gold, the pink, the silver. If you want to add some accessories to your ride, check your Dollar Tree out. And they have a huge selection of air fresheners for your car. Some are brands you're going to recognize. Tire gauge kits. These are for your tools, your lug nuts, any mini pieces you want to store or sort here at Dollar Tree. Oh, throwback cassette tape, air fresheners. Hook your car up. Or if you're going to be doing any remodeling, any painting, they have your prep needs here. The same thing you'll get from a hardware store, they have them here. I'm not sure about the quality now, but it's here in Dollar Tree for $1.25. And I've used like the floor drops, the clear floor protectors. I've used some of the paint brushes before. They've worked great. Saved a lot of money doing that. Locks. If you're planting flowers, they have some seedlings here. Some things to help you get your kit started. They even have the kneeling pads to keep your knees safe and protected. But that's going to pretty much do it here at this visit. Please like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. We'll continue to bring you videos. Until next time, be safe, be blessed, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.